In the previous videos, we went through generating thumbnail ideas, turning them into high-quality images, and placing them into our Canva canvas. At this point, you already have strong visuals, but there's one more step that can completely level up your thumbnails and make them more valuable, especially if you're planning to sell them. In this episode, we're going to transform your thumbnails from simple images into fully editable designs. This is important because the more flexible your thumbnails are, the more useful they become for buyers, and the higher the chances that people will actually purchase them. Once you've added all your images to your canvas, the next step is to make them editable. Start by selecting one of your images, then go to the floating toolbar and click Edit. This will open up Canva's Tools panel, where you'll see the Magic Studio features. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked, most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. From there, click on Magic Layers. As soon as you activate it, Canva will automatically analyze your image and separate the different elements within it. This means your subject, background, and even text can become individually editable layers. Now repeat the same process with the rest of your thumbnails so all of them become fully editable and ready to use. This is extremely powerful because instead of working with a flat image, you can now move, resize, delete, or adjust each element separately. It basically turns your generated image into a fully customizable design. And since every element is separated, when someone buys your thumbnail, they won't just get a static image. They'll be able to fully customize it on their own, move things around, edit the text, adjust the layout, and make it fit their own content or style. This makes your thumbnails much more flexible and appealing as a digital product. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. That's it. You have now learned how to turn your generated images into fully editable elements using Magic Layers inside Canva, giving you full control over your thumbnail design. If you want to learn how to finalize your thumbnails and make them highly clickable and ready to sell, stay tuned and watch the next part, which you'll find in the pinned comments down below. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.